Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Assess Chapter 3 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical and many more online courses. And please reach me out for your other courses. If you want to do this exam from me and if you want to do this complete course from me, I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your all simulation training. I will do your all simulation exam, all assignments project, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. My WhatsApp and email are shown on bottom of the screen. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email, and my WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And if you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. Now I am going to start my exam to solve it step by step. Question number 1 is that create a new query using the query design button. First add the implies info. Okay, first we will go to the create tab, and then in the queries group we will create a new query using query design button. Okay. First add the employees info table and then the sales by employees table. We will have to add a two table in this query, employees table and sales by employees table. We will click on employees table, click on add button, and then we will select sales by employees table, click on add button. Close any open dialog box from the employees info table. Okay, we will close this. From the employees info table, add the first name and last name field to the query design grid. Okay, first name and last name field to the query design grid. From the sales by employees table, add quarter and actual sales. We will have to add quarters and actual sales in query design grid. Okay, run the query. We will go to the design tab in the result group. Click on run button. Display the query one query in design view. Okay, right click on this and then click on design view. With the query one query open in design view, set the criteria for the quarter field to be fast, press enter. Okay, okay. With the query one query open in design view and set the criteria for the quarter field to fast. We will set the criteria fast. We will tap fast here. In design view of the query 1 query, sort the actual sales column in ascending order. We will select the actual sales column, right click on this arrow and then we'll select sort this actual sales column is ascending order. Okay. Save the query as employees commission first quarter. We will right click on query 1 and we will click on save button. We will save this query as employee commissions first quarter. Commission first quarter. Click on OK button. Run the query. We will run the query. Display the employees commission first quarter query in design view. Okay, employees commission first quarter. We will right click on this and then display the employees commission first quarter query in design view. In the first empty column, create a calculated field with the name commission. Okay. Create a calculator field with the name commission that multiplies the actual sales field by 0.025 and press enter. Basically in this question we will in the first empty column create a calculator field with the name commission. Right click on this, click on build button and then we will enter here commission and then into actual price multiplying by 0.025. Then we will click on OK button, run the query and then save the query. We will go to the design tab. In the query tab, in the result group, click on run button. Run the query and save the query. Now we right click on this and then click on save button. Question is completed now. The next question is question number 2. In design view of the employees commission first quarter, formatted query, select then format the commission calculated field as currency with 2 decimal places and add a caption of first quarter commission. Okay, in design view of employees commission first quarter formatted query, select the format to commission calculated field as currency. We right click on this and then go to the property in the design tab in the show head group, click on property sheet and then we will select here currency and 2 decimal places. We will select 2 decimal places and then we will add a caption of first quarter commission. We will have to add a caption here is first quarter commission, first quarter commission. Okay. Run the query and save the query. We will go to the design tab in the result group, click on run button. The query will be run and then we will save the query. Right click on this and then save this query. Question is completed now. The question number 3 is that create a new column in the query with the following formula. Wrong commission into actual sales multiplying by rate. Okay, we will have to create a new column. Okay, right click on this, click on build button. Okay, we will enter a formula here. Wrong commission into actual price, actual sales, actuals, 1 second, actual sales rate, multiplying by rate, click on OK button, 1 second, we will enter a semicolon, okay, then we will click on OK button and question is completed. Run the query, enter 10 lakh in the first parameter box and 0.3 in the second. Notice that our result display $3,000. Run the query first. Okay, enter parameter value is here 1 lakh. We will have to add a 1 lakh parameter actual sales value. Click on OK button and then enter parameter value. Rate is 0.03. Click on OK button. Display the employees commission second quarter query in design view. Okay, we will display the employees commission second quarter query in design view. Right click on this, click on design view. Use the expression builder to change the wrong commission column to field name commission. Modify the formula so it multiplies actual sales by rate. Okay, right click on this, click on build button and then wrong commission column to field name is commission. We will remove wrong and then we will only set on commission. Okay, so formula so it's multiplies actual sales by rate, actual sales by rate. Click on OK button. Run the query when promoted, enter 0.03 and click OK. Go to the design tab in the result group, click on run button and then enter parameter value is 0.03. Click on OK button. Okay, 0.03 is the parameter value. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do question number 4. The question number 4 of this exam is that use the expression builder. 1 second. Okay. Use the expression builder to change the commission column to a field name is Q2R2 commission. Modify the formula so it multiplies actual sales by 0.03. Okay. Actual sales. Right click on this. Sorry, use the expression builder to change the commission column to a field name. Right click on this, click on build button. On the commission column, click on build button and then we will commission column to a field name is Q2R2 commission, QTR2 commission. Okay, we will have to modify this formula QTR2 commission so it's multiplies actual sales by 0.03. Actual sales by 0.03. We will remove this rate and then we will enter 0.03. We will click on OK button. Question is completed now. You can see here I have done 6 questions out of 8 questions. It's mean I have done 85% of this exam for remaining question. And if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. My email is given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. And please reach me out for your other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, web development, and many writing courses and many more online courses. You can simply contact me. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your R simulation training, R simulation exam, R assignments project, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling many students courses on MATLAB Pearson, Cengage Mintap, MC Grahil Simnet, Blackboard, and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.